What's the secret of a happy married life? Know the secrets of a successful married life. You may have seen many couples who even after 20 to 30 years of marriage love each other just like they are newly married. Their love never seems to fade. That magic and chemistry still seem to remain intact. And you may wonder, what's the secret of a happy married life? One thing which is very important and common to all successful married life is that there is a lot of positive energy which surrounds them. Both of them tend to show gratitude and appreciation towards each other. In a happy married life, both the partners support each other at hard times, accept each other's flaws and complain less. Below are given some points which are common to all successful married life and without which, it's just not possible. If you strive to have a rock-solid married life, then you can practice these simple yet powerful secrets of a successful marriage. Greet your partner regularly. It's very important to make your partner feel how important she is for you. Many of us feel shy about expressing our feelings. If you don't express your feelings to the person whom you love the most on this earth, to whom will you express then? Greet your partner lovingly in the morning. Tell him/her how happy you are and how profoundly it is positively affecting your life just by his/her presence. Send loving texts. You can make use of modern technology and stay connected with your loved one. Send him/her sweet, playful and flirtatious messages once in a while. It will surely make him/her happy. Hug. A hug is one of the most intimate expressions of feelings. Instead of giving a negative or neutral expression when you reach home, greet your partner with a hug. This will undoubtedly increase the intimacy between you two. Make hugs last for more than 20 seconds, which helps in releasing the bond hormone known as oxytocin. Touch your partner often. This is another way of increasing intimacy. Touch your partner often either with your hands or feet. Hold his/her hand often just to show that you are always there for him/her. If you're having lunch or dinner, make it a point to touch him/her. Compliment each other. Many marriages suffer from underappreciation. The partners don't appreciate each other at all. Make it a point to appreciate, even for the smallest act that your partner does. Though you're appreciating him/her for small acts, you are unconsciously concentrating upon what he/she is doing instead of what he/she doesn't do. This will help in bringing a lot of positive energy into your house. Express your needs. Instead of complaining about why he/she is not spending time with you, ask your partner to spend some time. There are a hell and a heaven difference between both the modes of approach. While one spreads negativity and has the capability to induce a fight, the other one is a direct approach which will strengthen your relationship. So instead of, you're always busy with your paperworks. Be faithful. Faithfulness is the basis of all married life. Be faithful towards your partner. If anything that comes in front of you would compromise that faithfulness, then don't do it. Faithfulness requires self-discipline and self-control. Suspicion is a slow killer of relationships. Don't at all give it a room in your married life. Forgive often. Practice forgiving your partner for the mistakes which he/she makes. We are humans, and it is perfectly normal for us to make mistakes. Learn to accept each other's flaws. Acceptance is the greatest key to a successful married life. Even if you have to forgive him/her 1,000 times, do it. Always remember, humility and forgiveness will always help you in maintaining a healthy relationship. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe Proper Health channel. Stay healthy, keep smiling, enjoy life.